Here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules of millimetres, materials wetted, the white that you can see there. It's a reflection of the lights. I've just gone in a little bit closer to give a bit more detail. First piece, nice colour bar on the bottom there. These are basically faces, picture stone. Nice and thick, but there is no more colour bars on most of these pieces. That's what you're seeing. Just needs to be ground off, reveal that seam. There you have it. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.